In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you guys how you can pay with PayPal balance instead of credit card or debit card. So this will be an easy and quick tutorial. So let's get started. So all you have to do is you just need to open your PayPal account like this. Go to your PayPal homepage and click over here on your PayPal name and click on account setting like this. And you will be directly in this page over here. So let me show you. You just need to wait few seconds, and here you go. You will be directly in this page. What you will do next, you should see over here account setting. Scroll down and click over here on payment preference, okay, like this. And here you go. You just need to wait few seconds for this one to come, and here you go. You guys can see this, your preferred way to pay. So what you will do, you will click over here on set, and you need to choose, and here you go, choose your preferred way to pay online. Okay, you guys can use your PayPal balance, so select this one and click on confirm. Okay, and if you have a balance in your PayPal account, you can pay always with your balance account instead of your credit card or debit card. Okay, it's easy and simple. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments, and see you in my next videos.